Cleaning schools and hospitals takes a lot of time and money. And now with heightened safety regulations due to COVID-19, figuring out what needs to be done has become a full-time job. However, a cleaner environment while reducing overall cleaning costs is not just a dream at Pike Systems. Introduce your school or hospital to a new employee that's only paid in soap and water. The Advance Liberty SC50 from Nilfisk. Here's a quick video resume.
The halls are quiet, but not for long. That's why you need to be efficient. Get a clean that always stands up to the rigour of hundreds of students and staff members walking down the halls, and free up your staff to do those important jobs that call for a human touch. Your environment is constantly changing, and the SC50 helps you adapt. The SC50 is the only third-party certified machine in the market, making it safe to operate in dynamic surroundings. It has 3 efficient modes of operation that are easy to program and operate. With fill-in, the operator drives around the area once, and the SC50 calculates the most efficient path to clean the interior of the space, avoiding obstacles along the way. Copycat records 1 full manual pass through an environment, and the SC50 replicates it perfectly. And manual, for those unexpected accidents or everyday tasks. The Liberty SC50 is part of the autonomous cleaning portfolio from Nilfisk, a global leader in intelligent cleaning.
The Liberty SC50 is the only autonomous cleaning robot that is OSHA approved. It knows where it is in the building through location tags, so your cleaning professionals can be on the other side of the building and get notifications from your autonomous machine on things like autonomous stops, completed plans, and runtime. At Pike, we are on a mission to arm cleaning professionals with the knowledge needed to create safe, healthy, beautiful buildings. Autonomous scrubbing is just one way we help you do more with less. Less labor, less chemicals, less oversight. To schedule a formal interview equipped with a work sample, contact Pike Systems for a full demo of the Advance Liberty SC50 autonomous scrubber.